Hi, hello guys. Today meron lang akong i-share sa inyo na napakagandang produkto, no? From Nextify.ai. Gagawa lang ako ng short reviews kasi hindi ko mapigilan dahil super beneficial ito sa lahat ng mga merong mga business or if you're a freelance na gumagawa ng mga content para sa inyong mga clientele. Ito yung product, no? I think na napakaganda para gamitin nyo, no? And super easy siya, napakadali niyang gamitin. It's a no-brainer. So nakikita nyo rito, pwedeng parang UGC siya, no? Human reviews sa products or even testimonies sa mga products, no? Even if you are running an e-commerce platform, pwede rin siyang sa mga produkto ng iba't ibang klase ng product. So I think, no, without further ado, I think I'm gonna show you some of the videos that I did on my own na napakadali na, hindi ko akalain na ganun kadali na gumawa ngayon, no? With the new advanced system na ginagamit ngayon sa industry, no? So, eto bali siya, no? Ito na yung nagawa ko ng product na una. Bali, ilalagay mo lang yung mismong picture dito. Tingnan nyo siya.
Stop wearing boring clothes on your vacations. I just found the ultimate travel tee for anyone. Look at this shirt. I'm already in vacation mode. The custom print is ridiculously cute. It's so soft and breathable, perfect for literally any outdoor trip. Whether you are traveling solo or with friends, click the link and grab this comfy travel shirt before it sells out. Let's go!
Yeah, so yun siya, no? Hindi mo siya isipin na AI siya, talagang real human yung nagbibigay ng reviews about the product. And kung gagamitin lang, napakadali naman, simple-simple lang, no? So ako naglagay lang ako ng image plus ito. Make sure that the product relevance do sa images na ginagawa nyo. And after that, i-click nyo lang yung point solution, reaction, no? And then it will generate itself, no? So yung from your image na sinend mo sa kanya, tignan natin. I don't know what will come up here, but once you auto-generate the system, siya na yung gagawa mismo kagad, instance. I think it's just 4 minutes to do it. So, bali ganun lang, no? Basta na-set up mo na lahat dito, no? Nailagay mo na yung kung anong pain point, reaction, unboxing, customer reviews, tapos nalagay mo na yung product description and pictures. Bali, auto-generate mo lang and magiging result na niyan is itong pinaka-final na
Wearing boring clothes on your vacations. I just
parang
found the
ganito.
ultimate travel tee for anyone. Look at this shirt. I'm already in vacation mode. The
Mhm.
custom print is ridiculously cute. It's so soft and breathable, perfect for literally any outdoor trip. Whether you are traveling solo or with friends, click the link and grab this comfy travel shirt before it sells out. Let's go!
Yun,
Stop wearing boring clothes on your vacation.
i-highlight niya yung naging resulta nitong produkto na re-reviews sa pamamagitan ng UGC AI na ganyan. So, ganun lang, no? This product